Hello, my name is Karen Hughes. In this module, we're going to discuss how to create a capacity pool based on tags as part of the BMC TrueSight Capacity Optimization how-to video series. In its simplest form, a capacity pool is just a logical aggregation of assets that are either picked manually or specified based on some type of criteria. In this particular case, our criteria is going to be based on tags. Ultimately, a capacity pool can be leveraged both in the workspace as well as in the dashboards or views area, where you can supply a great deal of information to either executives or technical resources and give the ability to show additional value by showing and highlighting key indicators around risk, usage, and efficiency. How you create a capacity pool based on a tag is in the workspace by utilizing a wizard. And when the wizard comes up, you have to specify a number of input in order to understand or configure that capacity pool. So let's take a look at how we would accomplish this in BMC TrueSight Capacity Optimization. Okay, so let's log on to the solution, navigate to the workspace, go down to the location or domain that we want to create our capacity pool in, and then simply come over to the right and say Add Capacity Pool. Our wizard shows up, so we got to give it a name, and maybe we're going to do it Hyper-V Tagged. That way we know that I'm tagging as a tagging role. And here the pool type I want to specify as Hyper-V hosts. And this is the specific part where instead of manually selecting the elements, we want to say it's rule-based, based on a tag, and perhaps this can be virtualization technology. And then I want to make sure my tag is Hyper-V. So you can see it comes up, and it's important not only to select it, but click on the plus sign so it gets added to the selected tag. And then that's all I really have to do, and I click on Save and Evaluate. Here it tells me how many elements are added to my capacity pool, and I say that's fine, those are all the ones that were tagged, and now I have a Hyper-V tagged capacity pool in my workspace that has all those elements in it. Okay, so now we're going to go over to the Views tab, and we want to take a look at the capacity pool that we just created in the Capacity Pools view. Once this comes up, we're going to find that my Hyper-V tagged capacity pool is here, and you can see the scores for usage, risk, and efficiency. And this is critical for your executives as well as the technical folks to understand, how efficient am I, do I have any risk, and how utilized am I on that particular pool. If I then click on the pool, I can see that my 21 hosts are in it, and I can start drilling down at the element level, how things are performing and what's going on. I can then drill down yet again to get more details about the underlying data that's supplying or feeding up to those scores we saw before. So that's how easy it is to create a capacity pool and the value that you can associate with creating or leveraging a capacity pool in your environment. And that concludes this module in the BMC TrueSight Capacity Optimization how-to video series. I want to thank you for your time and look forward to you listening to other how-to videos as part of the series in the future. Thanks and have a great day.